Linked accounts are a web of interconnected online identities, often tied together by a single email address or phone number. They're a modern convenience, allowing seamless access across platforms, but they come with a hidden cost: privacy and security vulnerabilities. One compromised account can lead to a domino effect, putting multiple accounts at risk. When it comes to email, it's a gateway to uncovering these digital connections. A simple start is to search for accounts linked to the same email address. This can be done through search engines or specialized applications designed to scour the internet for any associated accounts. Another tactic is to sift through confirmation or notification emails from various platforms, which can inadvertently reveal the existence of linked accounts. Similarly, phone numbers can be a thread leading to a network of linked accounts. By using reverse phone lookup services, one can trace back to the accounts associated with a particular phone number. This method is especially useful when an email address is not publicly available or when additional verification is needed. Understanding the web of linked accounts is crucial for both individuals and businesses. It's about recognizing the potential security risks and taking proactive steps to prevent unauthorized access to sensitive information. Awareness is the first line of defense against the threats of data breaches and identity theft. To safeguard these digital lifelines, robust security measures are essential. Use strong, unique passwords for each account, enable two-factor authentication, and stay vigilant by regularly monitoring account activity for any signs of suspicious behavior. As technology advances, so too will the tools for managing and securing linked accounts, but personal vigilance remains paramount. In conclusion, while linked accounts offer convenience, they demand a heightened awareness of security and privacy. By employing email and phone techniques to discover connections and taking steps to protect them, we can navigate the online world with greater confidence and control.